Break news coming in, and this is in regard to Rahul Gandhi there after the US Supreme Court invalidates the global tariffs imposed by Donald Trump, calling those tariffs illegal. Now we have Rahul Gandhi saying that the Prime Minister has compromised, and that is the Prime Minister has compromised and that he will not renegotiate. That is what is being said by Rahul Gandhi. In fact, Rahul Gandhi has gone on ahead and said that the Prime Minister will surrender yet again. That is the claim that is being made by Rahul Gandhi after the US Supreme Court invalidates global tariffs. He reiterates the compromise Prime Minister Bob that the Prime Minister cannot renegotiate. He will be surrendering yet again. Do remember the charge that is being made by Rahul Gandhi time and again. Aishwarya, my colleague, joining us. Aishwarya, of course, after Rahul Gandhi time and again has been slamming the trade deal between India and US, and now after what the Supreme Court has said in regard to the deal, saying not the deal but the tariffs that have been imposed by Donald Trump, calling those tariffs illegal. What does Rahul Gandhi say on this? He's again using the same words in order to attack the Prime Minister.
Well, certainly, and the Prime Minister is compromised for the term that was used by the Indian Youth Congress members yesterday at a protest at the AI summit as well. And the Congress party clearly backing the IYC members. Rahul Gandhi now putting it out on social media platform that the Prime Minister is compromised. Certainly, it is the position that the Congress party has taken so far as the entire tariff deal is concerned, from Parliament to the stage here at the AI summit. The Congress party clearly attacking the government over the US trade deal. After the US Supreme Court clearly stated that the tariffs are illegal, it is Rahul Gandhi who had targeted the government and stated that the Prime Minister cannot renegotiate. He will surrender again, is something that has been stated by the LOP in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi. In fact, his betrayal is now stands exposed. It is Rahul Gandhi who has time and again attacked the government and slammed it over the US trade deal. Remember, in the Parliament as well, it is Rahul Gandhi who has time and again stated that that this particular deal has been done under tremendous pressure because of the kind of investigations that are taking place and the names that have evolved in of the union ministers that have exposed them. The Congress party tried to corner the government, but now certainly when the Bharatiya Janata Party were slamming the Congress party over the kind of protest that they did yesterday at the Bharat Mandapam, the venue of the AI summit, that clearly the BJP called it anti-India, and also this clearly has exposed the mindset of the Congress party that do not want India's success to flourish. At this point in time, the LOP in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, now targeting the Bharatiya Janata Party as far as the US trade deal is concerned, and the terminology that was used yesterday in the protest, Prime Minister is compromised, has been used again. Is it to incite the protesters yet again, or what what way Rahul Gandhi has used it? Certainly going to be boiling down as far as the political war of words are concerned, the attacks and counter-attacks that are coming in from both BJP and the Congress party. But certainly it is once again Rahul Gandhi attacking the government over the US trade deal.